Start. Friends, we can learn the fraction, multiplication of fractions very easily using paper folding. Okay, let us say I have to find the product of 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. What we need to do is take a piece of paper, fold it into 4 parts, equal parts. Okay, say for example, this is half and this is 1/4. I made 4 parts and make sure the crease looks properly to you properly, correct? Say for example, there is one line here, you can make out easily, and one more, 2, 3 and 4. I made 4 parts. This represents 1 by 4. Now I have to find the product of 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. That is 4 parts is over 1 by 4. Now I have to multiply this by half. That is 1 by 2. So I just make half of this. Okay, I just make this half of this, and you can easily see now this 4 parts have become 8 parts. Correct? See, you can see this now. So the 4 parts have become 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You need to find 1 by 4 of half. So I just shade only this part. Okay. What is this part? You see, this is 1 and there are 8 parts. So your answer is 1 by 8. Correct? That's all. See here. So 1 by 4, 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 8. This is what is your answer. Simple. That's all.